Hello, welcome to this video tutorial brought to you by smalltipsbigincome.com, STBI. Smalltipsbigincome.com is a website where you can get small tips and you can start earning big online. You can check our website at www.smalltipsbigincome.com, and then you can also follow us on any of our social media platforms. So today we have a training for us which is titled Master Guide on Mini Importation and E-commerce Business. Now this is your ultimate hands-on guide to earning millions through importation and then the e-commerce business. Now let me start by saying that this training is one of the most comprehensive yet simple course you would ever get, and then it is something that is practical oriented, it is eye-opening, and then with a lot of proven techniques, step-by-step guide on how to profit using this business online. So before we proceed, we need to discuss some things. Now, poverty is when large efforts produce small results, and wealth is when small effort produce large results. This is a quote by David George. So when you have so much effort and you're getting very little results, poverty is at work. And when you have very little effort, smart efforts geared towards getting large results, then wealth is involved. Also, we have this: being broke may not be your fault, but staying broke is definitely your choice. So in this kind of training, it is a training whereby you can get to be free from any financial hazards if you choose to. So that is why we said being broke may not be your fault, but staying broke is definitely your choice. It is high time we stop complaining about how terrible the economy is, how our parents have not been fair with us, our uncles, our aunties, and so on and so forth. It is time for us to rise up by ourselves and take the bull by the horn and then make something meaningful out of our lives. So without wasting much time, let's get into the series. Now, the commerce world. The world is driven by e-commerce, that is commerce. We talk about buying and selling. And because we have so many information out there about importation and e-commerce, a lot of people believe that the e-commerce or the importation industry is oversaturated. But I want to tell you that it is not saturated. Fine, we have a lot of information on it, but not all the information are correct, one. And two, not everyone that have access to such information are using it the right way. That is why you see some people, they come today, that training is not working, Joe. Something else is not working. I tried it, it did not work. Maybe that formula is fake or something. So another point is when you see a niche that people are trooping into, it is a sign that there is a gold mine in there. So if you are a very smart business person, you can also tap into the rush, see what is happening there, carve out a niche for yourself, and then make money. So you need to sit down, brainstorm, be original in your thinking, and innovative. That is the best way to make something out of such industry. So the niche importation and e-commerce industry is well open, and that is what we want to delve into as much as we can today. So why is this course different? You might want to know that, okay, what makes this course different from every other one, every other seminars that has been put? Well, it's fully practical based. We're going to jump into the practical aspect of it very soon. You're going to see how everything is being done, and you can watch over my shoulder, pause the video, rewind, fast forward to your taste. Then it is a step-by-step guide. I'll show you the steps that you need to take to starting your business, importing your products, and then making it big online. Then the moment you get this course, you have an automatic membership to the STBI Masterclass group. This is one group you don't want to miss at all, because in this group we dish out latest and the most recent information about how to earn big money online, and then we are always here for you. The STBI team is always here for you. We have 24-hour support system that is for you. So now let's consider our focus. Our main focus for this training is to make money from importation and e-commerce business. Nothing more, nothing less. So all our effort will be geared towards how can we make money from importation business and e-commerce business online. And to achieve this, we are going to follow these steps. The need analysis, we're going to analyze the need. We're going to get to understand what does it mean to have need analysis. You want to understand the problem of people. You want to see what people desire to get and then how to solve those problems. Then we go to how to get quality, hot and fast selling products. We don't want to just get any products. We want products that are of high quality. We want products that are hot and fast selling so that we can quickly make our money and we'll move on. Then we're also going to consider how to get your product shipped to you here in Nigeria, right to your doorsteps. Then lastly, we'll consider how to market, promote, and sell your products. Yes, how to market, promote, and sell your product. So those are the steps we're going to follow to making money from importation and e-commerce business. I hope that is okay by us. Now let's proceed. Before we move too much into the real training, I want us to quickly consider your mindset. Mindset is very, very crucial in any business or any venture you go into. So we want to quickly look at how to develop a positive business mindset, because this is very crucial when you're going into this kind of business. The pursuit of opportunity without regard to the resources currently controlled is very, very crucial. So in essence, you don't need millions of naira to start a business. You don't need millions of naira to start importing goods. You don't have to have everything all set up before you can start. You can make use of the little resources you have, the little resources in your control, and make something positive out of your life. So what you need to do is think positive, think big. Think outside the box. With these resources that I have, with this 10,000, with this 5,000, with this 20,000, what can I make from it? Then don't forget that negative mindset can encourage you to give up. When you keep having negative mindset, when you're so pessimistic about some things, you get discouraged, and no matter how vibrant, no matter how positive, no matter how lucrative such business is, if your mindset is negative towards it, then you are not going to make anything out of it. A lot of people have stayed this far on one stop because they have a negative mindset. They are such that they believe, oh, anything online is not legitimate. Anything online is scam. No, you have to change that kind of mindset. People are making it big online, and it is high time for you to join the train. And the only person you can truly and fully rely on is you. The only person you can fully and truly rely on is you. So it is high time you speak to yourself. It is high time you change your mindset. And as we go into this business of mini importation and e-commerce, you'll be able to have the best of experience and make your money in a legitimate way. So that will be all for this training. Thank you so much for watching. Now, if you resonate with what I've shown you so far and ready to kickstart your journey to financial freedom via the mini importation business, it is time to take action. Get started by following the link shown on the screen, or you can click on the link in the description below to get the mini importation wet package. I also implore you to take advantage of the ongoing discount price by purchasing the package today before the price goes up again. So after making the purchase, the STBI team is fully on ground to offer service and offer support to ensure that you succeed in doing this business. So that will be all. Have a great day.